Functionalism and conflict theory are two major perspectives in sociology that help us understand society and its structures. Functionalism views society as a complex system made up of different parts that work together to promote stability and social order. It emphasizes how each aspect of society, such as family, education, and religion, plays a role in maintaining the overall health of the community. In contrast, conflict theory focuses on the power struggles and inequalities within society. It argues that different groups often have conflicting interests, leading to social change and development through tension and disagreements rather than harmony. The primary difference between functionalism and conflict theory lies in their perspectives on social order and change. Functionalism believes that social structures exist to fulfill essential functions that benefit society as a whole, promoting unity and cooperation among its members. In contrast, conflict theory contends that society is shaped by competition and conflict between groups, particularly around issues of power and resources. While functionalists focus on stability and cohesion, conflict theorists emphasize power dynamics and social change, viewing social issues as products of inequality rather than as mere disruptions to a functioning system. Functionalism gained prominence in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, influenced by thinkers like Emile Durkheim, who sought to understand how societies maintain order in the face of change. This period was marked by rapid industrialization and urbanization, which highlighted the need to analyze social structures and their roles. In contrast, conflict theory developed from earlier ideas but became more prominent in the mid-20th century, especially through the works of Karl Marx. Marx's ideas gained traction during times of social upheaval, including labour movements and civil rights struggles, which emphasised class differences and societal inequalities, shaping the conflict theorists' view of society. Both functionalism and conflict theory have practical applications in various fields, such as education, politics, and social policy. Functionalism is often used in educational settings to design curricula that promote social cohesion and prepare students to fit into societal roles. It can also inform policies aimed at enhancing community well-being and organisational efficiency. On the other hand, conflict theory is applied in movements for social justice and equality, guiding activists and policymakers to focus on addressing systemic inequalities, advocating for the rights of marginalised groups, and creating reforms that challenge the status quo. Despite their strengths, both functionalism and conflict theory face critiques. Functionalism is criticised for being overly simplistic and for overlooking the negative aspects of social institutions, such as oppression and inequality that can exist even in seemingly stable societies. Critics argue that it can maintain the status quo by justifying existing social structures without addressing injustices. Conversely, conflict theory is often seen as too focused on conflict and struggle, neglecting the aspects of cooperation and consensus that also play vital roles in society. Additionally, some argue that it does not account for the complexity of social interactions and the potential for collaboration between different groups, which can lead to positive change.